In this video, you will learn how to get a car dealer license in Arizona, determine your dealer license type, choose the correct license for your business, such as a new motor vehicle, used motor vehicles, wholesaler, or broker, as defined by the Arizona Department of Transport or ADOT. Establish a permanent business location. Secure a physical business site that meets the ADOT's requirements. This will include an office, display area, and a proper signature and approval by your local zoning authority. Register your business entity. File your business name and entity type, such as an LLC or corporation, with the Arizona Corporation Commission, and obtain an employer identification number or EIN number from the IRS. Obtain a bond and insurance. Provide a $100,000 secure bond and proof of liability insurance to protect your dealership and customers in case of a dispute or loss. Complete the dealership license application. Fill out the AODT dealer license application, form 42-5123, and include required documents such as fingerprints, lease, deed, or business photos. Submit your application and its fee. Send your completed application package, bond, applicable fees to the ADOT dealer license unit. Then await inspection and approval. Now you know how to get a car dealer license in Arizona. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.